Hey kids, today we're going to learn some amazing facts about one of the cutest animals in the world, the koala bear. Did you know that koalas aren't actually bears at all? They're more like kangaroos, it's true, but they're still super cuddly and cute. We're going to learn all about where koalas live, what they eat, and even how they talk to each other. We'll discover why they sleep so much and how they climb trees with their amazing claws. Get ready for some fun koala facts. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go. Have you ever heard someone call a koala bear? Well, that's not quite right. Koalas might look a little like teddy bears, but they're actually marsupials. That's a big word, but it just means that mommy koalas have a special pouch on their bellies to carry their babies. Just like kangaroos. Kangaroos are marsupials too. They hop around with their little joeys safe and sound in their pouches. And guess what? Koala moms have pouches too. Isn't that cool? So, even though we sometimes call them koala bears, remember they're not really bears at all. They're special and unique marsupials. Now let's see what else makes koalas so amazing. Koalas are known for being sleepyheads. These adorable marsupials spend most of their lives snoozing away in the treetops. But have you ever wondered why they sleep so much? Can you guess how long a koala sleeps every day? It's not just a few hours like us humans. Get ready to be amazed. They can sleep for 18 to 22 hours a day. That's right, nearly the entire day is spent in dreamland. That's almost the entire day. Imagine if we humans slept that much. We'd miss out on so many activities. Wow, that's a lot of sleep. But there's a good reason for it. Why do they sleep so much? It's not just because they're lazy. Well, it's because of their diet. Koalas have a very specialized diet that requires a lot of energy to process. Koalas love to munch on eucalyptus leaves, which are tough and fibrous. And those leaves take a lot of energy to digest. The leaves are low in nutrients and high in toxins, making them hard to break down. Imagine eating a giant salad that made you super sleepy. That's what it's like for koalas every day. That's kind of what it's like for koalas. Their bodies need to rest to process all that tough food. All that sleeping helps them save their energy. By sleeping so much, they can conserve the energy they need to digest their food and stay healthy. So next time you see a picture of a sleepy koala, you'll know why they're catching so many Z's. It's all part of their unique lifestyle in the eucalyptus forest. Koalas are picky eaters. They have a very special diet and only eat one thing, eucalyptus leaves. Yep, that's it. They're like the pickiest eaters in the animal kingdom. Eucalyptus trees are everywhere in Australia where koalas live. But not all eucalyptus leaves are the same. There are over 700 different types of eucalyptus trees, and koalas only like to eat about 50 of them. They use their amazing sense of smell to sniff out the tastiest and most nutritious leaves. It's like they're little leaf experts. Now let's learn about their adorable babies. You know how baby kangaroos are called joeys? Well, guess what? Baby koalas are called joeys too. Aren't they adorable? When a baby koala is born, it's only about the size of a jelly bean. That's tiny. The little joey crawls into its mommy's pouch and stays there for about 6 months, drinking milk and growing bigger and stronger. Once the joey is big enough, it will start to peek out of the pouch and even ride on its mommy's back. How cute is that? It takes about a year for a joey to become fully independent and leave its mommy's side. But until then, they're inseparable. Koalas have some of the coolest hands in the animal kingdom. Why? Because they have 2 thumbs on each hand. Can you imagine having 2 thumbs? Those extra thumbs help koalas grip onto branches and climb trees with amazing agility. They're like little tree-climbing ninjas. Their sharp claws also help them dig into the bark and hold on tight. It's like having built-in climbing gear. With their strong hands and sharp claws, koalas can climb high into the trees to find the best eucalyptus leaves and escape from danger. Koalas might seem quiet and cuddly, but they can actually make a lot of different sounds. They communicate with each other using grunts, squeaks, and even loud bellows. When a koala is happy and content, it might make a soft grunting sound. But if it's feeling scared or threatened, it can let out a loud bellow that sounds like a donkey. Baby koalas, or joeys, make cute squeaking sounds to get their mommy's attention. It's like their way of saying, "Mommy, I'm hungry," or "Mommy, I need a cuddle." So, even though they spend a lot of time sleeping, koalas have their own special ways of talking to each other. Koalas have an amazing sense of smell. Their noses are super powerful and help them find the tastiest and most nutritious eucalyptus leaves. Remember how we talked about how there are over 700 types of eucalyptus trees? Well, koalas use their noses to sniff out the best ones. They can even tell if a leaf is poisonous or not just by smelling it. Their sense of smell also helps them find other koalas and avoid danger. It's like having a superpower. So, next time you see a koala, remember that behind that cute and cuddly face is a super sniffer. Koalas are excellent climbers. These adorable marsupials are native to Australia and are known for their unique ability to navigate the treetops with ease. Their climbing prowess is not just a random skill, but a vital part of their survival. They spend most of their lives high up in the trees, munching on eucalyptus leaves and taking naps. Eucalyptus leaves are not only their primary food source, but also provide them with most of the water they need. This arboreal lifestyle keeps them safe from many ground predators and allows them to conserve energy. Their strong arms and legs, sharp claws and 2 thumbs on each hand make them perfectly adapted for a life in the trees. These physical adaptations allow them to grip branches securely and move effortlessly among the treetops. The 2 opposable thumbs on each hand give them an excellent grip, which is crucial for climbing and holding on to branches. They can climb up and down eucalyptus trees with ease, even the tallest ones. Their powerful limbs and sharp claws dig into the bark, providing stability and support as they ascend and descend. This ability to climb efficiently is essential for reaching fresh leaves and finding safe resting spots. When a koala wants to move from one tree to another, it will carefully climb down to the ground and walk over to the next tree. This journey on the ground is risky, as they are more vulnerable to predators. However, they do it with caution and purpose, ensuring they find the best trees with the most nutritious leaves. But they're much more comfortable up high. The treetops provide them with a safe haven where they can rest, eat, and sleep without much disturbance. High up in the trees, they can enjoy the cool breeze and stay away from the dangers that lurk on the ground. So, if you're ever in Australia and you see a koala in a tree, take a moment to appreciate their amazing climbing skills. These fascinating creatures are a true testament to the wonders of nature and the incredible adaptations that allow them to thrive in their unique environment. Just like kangaroos, koalas have pouches. Remember, they're both marsupials. The pouch is like a special pocket on a mommy koala's belly where she carries her baby, or joey. When a baby koala is born, it's tiny and hairless. It crawls into its mommy's pouch and stays there for about 6 months, drinking milk and growing bigger. The pouch is warm, safe, and the perfect place for a baby koala to grow up. It's like a cozy little home. Once the joey is big enough, it will start to peek out of the pouch and even ride on its mommy's back, but the pouch will always be a special place for them. Koalas are native to Australia, which means they're only found in the wild in Australia. These adorable marsupials are one of the most iconic animals of the Australian continent. With their fluffy ears, spoon-shaped noses, and gentle demeanor, they have captured the hearts of people all around the world. They live in the eucalyptus forests and woodlands along the east coast of Australia, where there are plenty of eucalyptus trees for them to eat. Eucalyptus leaves are not only their primary food source but also provide them with most of the water they need. Koalas have a highly specialized diet and can eat up to 1 kilogram of eucalyptus leaves each day. Sadly, koalas are facing many threats, including habitat loss, bushfires, and disease. The destruction of their natural habitat due to urban development and agriculture has significantly reduced their living space. Additionally, devastating bushfires, which have become more frequent and intense, pose a severe threat to their survival. Diseases such as chlamydia also affect many koala populations, leading to blindness, infertility, and even death. It's important for us to learn about koalas and their conservation so we can help protect these amazing animals. Researchers and conservationists are working tirelessly to study koala behavior, health, and genetics to develop effective conservation strategies. Educational programs and awareness campaigns are also crucial in informing the public about the challenges koalas face and how we can contribute to their protection. There are many ways we can help koalas, such as supporting organizations that are working to protect their habitat. These organizations engage in activities like habitat restoration, where volunteers plant trees to create safe and sustainable environments for koalas. By preserving and expanding their natural habitats, we can ensure that koalas have the space they need to thrive. And donating to koala hospitals that care for sick and injured koalas. These hospitals provide critical medical care and rehabilitation for koalas affected by disease, injury, or displacement. The dedicated caregivers and veterinarians work around the clock to nurse these animals back to health and, whenever possible, release them back into the wild. Let's all do our part to make sure that koalas have a bright future. By supporting conservation efforts, spreading awareness, and making environmentally conscious choices, we can contribute to the survival and well-being of these beloved creatures. Together we can ensure that future generations will continue to enjoy the presence of koalas in the wild. Wow, we learned so much about koalas today. We discovered that they're not bears, they sleep a lot, they love eucalyptus leaves, and they have the cutest babies called joeys. Remember, koalas are amazing animals that need our help. Let's all do our part to protect them and their habitats so future generations can enjoy these cuddly creatures. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you next time.